Today, the 22nd March, World Water Day. The UN and FAO, they have designated this, and the theme being glaciers preservation of glaciers. And you know, in this biodiversity park, in the pond ecosystem, we have the students from WIPS and the students from Samatha Degree College, members of RCD Hospital, and the GVMC, plus DNCS members now. Now let us hear, Madam.
So we the faculty members and students of Vishwanatha Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Anandapuram. Today we have visited Dolphin Nature Conservation Society.
Biodiversity Park. So, yes.
Today is March 22nd, World Water Day.
జలం లేదా నీరు పంచభూతాల్లో ఒకటి.
Our body contains 70% of water and each cell in our body contains 90% of water.
71% earth surface is water.
Out of 71%, 97.5% is seawater. We have only 2.5% fresh water is available.
In that, nearly 68.7% in the form of glaciers and ice blocks.
30.1% in groundwater. 1.2% of surface water.
Out of 1.2% of surface water, only 0.5% is for human consumption.
Oh, only 0.5% is available for our consumption. Okay?
69% in the form of ice and snow.
Yes.
So there is only 0.5% water is available for human consumption.
Even that water is polluted by us.
Okay.
That is why we are observing World Water Day on March 22nd.
The theme for this year is glaciers preservation. Because of greenhouse gases, glaciers are melting. Due to this, sea level is increases.
Important cities and towns like Maldives, Australia are drowning, including Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam Beach.
Water everywhere, not a drop to drink.
Wow.
ఒకప్పుడు డబ్బునే మంచినీళ్ళతో కొనేవారు, ఇప్పట్లో మంచినీళ్ళని డబ్బుతో కొనుక్కునే
Wonderful.
పరిస్థితి వచ్చింది.
నీరే కదా అనుకుంటే మిగిలేదు కన్నీరే.
Wow. Wow. So what do you have to do then now? Now see now the students are again rearing a beautiful plant here and describing a beautiful plant. Yes.
It is called equisetum plant, commonly called as horsetail. It is pteridophyte F1.
It is living fossil since 300 years billions ago.
It is rare and highly indigenous. It reproduces by spore formation.
It has jointed hollow stems and scale-like leaves.
Wow.
It is found in damp and marshy areas.
It has many medicinal properties, like bones become strong because of silica present.
It prevents the arthritis and osteoporosis.
It's prevent the kidney stone.
Oh.
Won't heal to treat bronchitis.
It is anti-inflammatory.
It is antioxidant and antimicrobial.
This plant is used in phytoremediation.
Examples like zinc, copper, phosphate,
It is grows rapidly and thrives in acidic or marshy areas.
Usually used in wastewater prevention. It is used in wastewater treatment plants.
It is used in industrial waste cleanup.
Okay. Madam.
So to prevent mosquito breeding, we are using Gambusia fish which eats larvae.
Okay. So Gambusia and Panchax fishes, they are using it, they are again keeping it again in the water, so that these fishes, they are after larvae of mosquitoes. So on one side, with equisetum like plants, we are converting the polluted waters into normal waters. On the other side, to prevent mosquitoes, we are using Panchax and then Gambusia fishes now. So what a wonderful thing you are now doing. Okay na? So are you happy with this? Yes. So now let us all conserve our water bodies. Yes. Then let us preserve our glaciers. Let us love. VAPS means Vishwanatha Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Let us love our biodiversity park. So have a World Water Day.